What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of um, this cooking show that I'm not sure what to call it yet. So my friends have been asking for a recipe that's gluten-free. So today I'll make something gluten-free, and that should be used in every. It's widely available with easy ingredients. There's actually no flames involved in this cooking process. It's just gonna be you and some hard labor. So today we're making butter. Not that cheap store-bought substitute margarine. It's just gonna be butter. It's not vegetable shortening. It's not whatever the crap is out there. All right, it's just gonna be butter. So first of all, you want to take some heavy whipped cream. Actually, no, sorry, just heavy cream. And then take a clean mason jar, like I have here. Okay, so again, as I stressed, no cooking involved, just you. All you have to do is start shaking this thing for about 5 to 10 minutes, probably 5 actually, and you'll be done. So also optional, put some salt in here if you like your butter salted. I choose to go with just plain because I don't like salted butter. I'm just gonna go with it plain. Let's go. Let's do this. After a while of shaking, you'll start to realize that the liquid has become a little bit harder to shake because it's frothing up, it's foaming. Starting the butter process. This, all you have to do, just keep shaking on. It'll eventually break in and turn into milk. I'll separate the fats out. That's like my morning workout routine. So yeah, after a while, you see that uh, it separates like this. So you have butter, and it's not sticking to the side because it's a solid. It turns into solid. Um, let's open it and see what happens. Ooh. Yeah, let me get you a closer shot. Look at that. Just butter. It's crazy. Let's get a little bit. It's creamy. Texture reminds me of like ricotta cheese. Pretty good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Good stuff. It's really good. Whew. If you want buttermilk, keep shaking it until it really starts to separate. I've shown you how to make creamy butter in the earlier process, but you haven't truly separated out. So this is what you want. Like, you see that it's pale yellow. It's like pale gold. That's like the stuff you see in stores. Now, there's liquid at the bottom. It's buttermilk. I keep it for baking. You can drink it also. It's pretty good. But yeah, that's how you make butter. Thanks for tuning in for another episode. Shout out to my boy Lawrence. Made this for you, boy. Yeah. Peace.